Check out this 2010 Hyundai Genesis Sedan 3.8. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are anti-theft engine immobilizer, driver and front passenger advanced airbags, electronic active front head restraints, latch child safety seat anchors, roof-mounted side curtain airbags, 7-speaker audio system, automatic light control, cruise control, dual fully automatic climate control and electric push-button engine start. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.